we have lost another pillar in the scale model community, and that's Rick Robinson III. Now, Rick was an avid scale modeler. Just like you and I, he built just about every genre out there, from tanks, aircraft, figures, cars, you name it. Rick was a military brat and was born on Keesler Air Force Base in Biloxi, Mississippi, named for his grandfather. He was often called Sparky because he worked at a gas station as a teenager. After graduating from high school, Rick entered the U.S. Army and was stationed in Korea and Fort Riley, Kansas. After he was discharged in 1989, he moved to Tucson, Arizona, and this is where I knew him from. Rick also worked as a manager at Classic Hobbies for several years, and he is best known for his participation in Facebook Space 1999 props and ships. He was an avid builder of the Space 1999 Eagle kits, and he was keeping quite busy with these kits. Let's look at a few of them. Rick did survive a heart valve transplant, but we lost him tragically March 7th, 2023. He was only 55 years old. I wanted to inform the community here about Rick. He's well known in the fantasy and art community as far as Wonderfest. I'm sure a lot of folks knew about Rick over there. And of course, Rick loved his critters, both dogs and cats. You can make donations to the HermitageCatShelter.org. I'll put a link down below. Rest in peace, my friend.
Alright, I had to punch a hole in the concrete. Sledgehammer broke. It just wasn't having fun with it. And I decided, you know what? I got a great tool. It's been sitting out in the shed doing nothing since I didn't do automotive anymore. Mainly made for automotive, but it'll do all kinds of shit. It's the Blue Point Air Chisel. Yeah, it comes with a variety of different tips and whatnot, and that one blazes right through concrete. It's outstanding. Yeehaw!